Hey, hi guys! Welcome to my shaky edition to my vlog today. Today let's going to have an Oreo banana coffee, and I'm going to mix together. Let's do have some experiment. So first thing first, I don't need to use any materials like knife or whatsoever. So this is a very realistic one. So this is my hand. By the way, I just washed my hand earlier, so just don't mind it. And then banana I put here already, and also I will put coffee. I use essential coffee. It's a micro ground coffee, so it's the one, right? So yeah, actually I have an audience here in front of me. To Nigel, shout out to him. Yeah, thank you so much for the sponsor, the banana, Nigel. And Oreos, I'll just put, I think, 3 Oreos, I think is enough. Or just make it 4 to make it nicer. And put water on it. And of course, I will add some yogurt with 0 fat percent. It's a low fat, I mean. Okay, so just a little bit only, just to add flavor on it. Just to make it sure that it will balance the flavor. And don't forget to use also marigold. It's a condensed milk to add the flavor also with this shake. Just a little bit only. Okay, I think that's enough. It's marigold. Thank you so much, Malaysia marigold. And now let's start to blend all these things. Alright, so let's start now. Now let's taste it. So it's done. Let's see how it smells. It smells like coffee, banana, and Oreo in it. So now let's try to taste this one. This is good for people who like to do the boost or some shake. Okay, it's perfect for 0.3. This lettuce. Okay, let's taste it. Perfecto! It's so nice, so tasty, and very good. Especially when this kind of weather is so hot, then you can drink this one. Cheers!